What is going on, guys, and welcome back to the channel. I am super excited about today's video because we are going to be talking about my favorite place in the world. I think it's my favorite, or at least my favorite for being tropical, amazing landscapes, super cheap food, super cheap things to do, super cheap accommodation, and so much fun with great people, which is Koh Phi Phi. So guys, in this video, I'm gonna give you the 5 best things that I did when I was in Koh Phi Phi, Thailand. I've actually been twice, and I plan on going back as soon as this pandemic is over because it is such a cool place. Yes, it's a bit touristy, but hey, I mean, that's how a lot of Thailand makes their income, is through tourism. But that said, guys, Koh Phi Phi is awesome. If you like going out and having a good time, if you like speed boats, if you like just cruising on boats, if you like seeing beautiful landscapes, there is something for pretty much every type of person on Koh Phi Phi. So I can't wait to hop in here and show you guys what those 5 things are. Number 1 on this list, and I will say they're not in any specific order of best to worst, but my first one I'm gonna tell you guys on this list is to take a booze cruise. This is amazing. Who I went with the second time I was in Koh Phi Phi was Captain Bob's Booze Cruise, and it was so much fun. We met early in the morning, got some drinks going at the Captain Bob's bar. Then a few groups of us went over to the speedboats and we went ripping around the islands. And we stopped at so many different places that I'm going to be mentioning here on the next places you should see if you don't do the boat cruise. But it was just a great experience. They had amazing guides that made sure we had a blast, made sure we had drinks in our hands, and then also made sure we were safe while we were also having a good time. So they really just take care of you and you feel safe while also literally having one of the best days of your life. It's a full day tour, so you are going to be fulfilled with how much exhilaration, how many beautiful things you see, and how much fun you have, and how many friends you make by the end of that boat cruise. So number 2 on this list is to visit Monkey Beach.
We're live here on Monkey Island, about to go see some wild gazelles.
So what is Monkey Beach? Well, it is this little beach that you take a boat. So you just end up hiring someone that will bring you from place to place. They'll actually take you here to Monkey Beach, where all of these monkeys are classically conditioned that, hey, you're a tourist and you probably have peanuts or other food that you can give them. So they're gonna run up to you. Be careful, because sometimes they do bite, not super often, but you wanna be careful when you're giving them the food, you know, just like give them the peanut and don't mess with them too much. Some of them will even climb up on top of you though, so just be ready for that. Either way though, it is a cool experience. Number 3 on the list is visit Maya Bay. If you truly want to be blown away by one of the most beautiful landscapes in the world, this is that spot. If you're there during the day, it's amazing. The water is so clear. There's areas to just swim around in this warm water, look up at these cliffs. If you're there during sunset, oh my God. When we were on that Captain Bob's Booze Cruise, that's where we went for sunset, and it was literally out of a movie. Not to mention there was a movie filmed there too, but it felt like a dream. The sun setting in between these massive cliffs, and you're just swimming in the water. It is just an experience you will treasure for the rest of your life. I did that almost 2 years ago, and I feel like I was there yesterday. That's how vivid of a memory it was. Next on the list is number 4, which is visit the Viewpoint. Bring some water, because even in the evenings when you want to go up there for sunset or sunrise, or just during the middle of the day, it is so beautiful up there. But I went 2 different times up for sunset because it was that stunning. Make sure to bring that water, bring that sunscreen, bring that bug spray, you know, all that stuff to keep yourself protected. You'll be happy you did, because it is a bit of a hike. Not too tough of one, but you do want to make sure you keep your body, you know, hydrated and bug free, because it can get a little annoying if you don't. Once you get up to this viewpoint, you can see all of Koh Phi Phi, and you can just see the sun setting on the mountains, and also you can grab a drink while you're up there. But it's just, guys, a surreal experience, one that you do not want to miss. And it's one that if you're staying in Koh Phi Phi for a few days, I guarantee you're going to want to go up more than once, because all the people that are in Koh Phi Phi go up there and hang out and have a good time, and it is just dreamy. All right, so after you just enjoyed a beautiful sunset, it's time to hike back down the mountain. But your night's not over yet. Number 5 on the list is to visit the beach fire parties. You can't go to Koh Phi Phi and not go to the fire parties. It's just part of the overall experience. Start your night out at Slinky's. These guys that work for Slinky, they are unbelievable at spinning fire around. They walk across these like crazy string ropes while they're spinning fire. They get the crowd, you guys, involved in, you know, drinking, doing the limbo under the fire rope. Yeah, I burned the hair on my leg, so definitely be careful, but it is a fun experience. And obviously there's drinks and things like that for dirt cheap because it's Thailand. And you can wander down further down the beach, and there's so many more fire parties going on. You will not be disappointed if you like going out and having a good time. It's super easy to meet people, and it's just amazing. Every time I've been to Koh Phi Phi, which is 2 times, I have gone to the fire parties and I've had a blast just as much as the first time, and I can't wait for my 3rd time whenever I go back to do another fire party. Alright guys, and that wraps up my 5 best things to do in Koh Phi Phi. I love these islands, love them. They are so awesome. So I really hope you have an amazing time in Koh Phi Phi. If you have any questions on any of these things that I've mentioned, definitely drop a comment below. I would love to help you and make sure that you have the best possible time visiting Koh Phi Phi. And so guys, thanks so much for watching. If you've liked this video, leave it a thumbs up. If you want to see more videos like this, hit that subscribe button below, and we'll see you guys in the next video.